Hello and welcome. Today we will learn how to crochet the Tunisian Alpine Stitch. If this is your first time, thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Mirka and I make stitch and pattern, crochet and Tunisian crochet tutorials. So if this is of your interest, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button and letting me know in the comment section below what you would use this stitch for. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alpine stitch will be worked over 3 plus 2 stitches and over 2 rows. So first we need to make a slip knot and then chain the multiple of 3 plus 2. So we place the loop on the hook, we yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. That's 2 chains, 3. So it's 1 repeat, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a couple of more, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and don't forget the plus 2, 1 and 2. So once we've got the width of our project, we will then turn the chains around and we will work into the back bumps of your chain stitches. So we're going to insert the hook from front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop, and we repeat this for every chain. Once we've got all our stitches of the foundation row and the forward pass of the foundation row on the hook, we can work the return pass. So for this stitch pattern, we will work the standard return pass, which is yarn over, pull up a loop or chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Numbers 2 and 3 will be exactly the same, and we will work a Tunisian Simple Stitch across. So for Tunisian Simple Stitch, we need to insert a hook from right to left under the front vertical bar, yarn over and pull up a loop. And we will work Tunisian Simple Stitch in every stitch across all the way to the end stitch. And on the end stitch, we will not work only under 1 bar, but we will work under 2 bars, 2 of the side bars. So if you turn the side of your project towards yourself, you'll see that there is 1 strand of yarn on the right and 1 on the left. So what do we want to do for the end stitch is we want to go with the hook under both of these, yarn over and pull up a loop. This will ensure that our left edge is going to be nice and neat. Right, so this was the forward pass for row number 2, and we will continue with the standard return pass. Row number 3, we will repeat row number 2. row, that's where we will start the stitch pattern. So we are going to work Tunisian double stitch 2 rows below. Okay, so for Tunisian double stitch we need to yarn over the hook, insert the hook from right to left under the front vertical bar, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so this is our first Tunisian double crochet stitch. Then we will work Tunisian simple stitch into the next stitch, and then we will work Tunisian double stitch into the stitch 2 rows below again, and we will alternate these all the way across the row. So Tunisian simple, Tunisian double 2 rows below, Tunisian simple, Tunisian double 2 rows below, Tunisian simple, Tunisian double 2 rows below, and we will work the end stitch, followed by a standard return pass. We will alternate the stitches that we just worked in this row. So we start with Tunisian simple, then Tunisian double 2 rows below, Tunisian simple, Tunisian double 2 rows below, and so on, working the stitch pattern across the row. Followed by a standard return pass. We'll then continue repeating rows number 4 and 5 for the desired width length of your project, and I will meet you back after a few repeats to show you how to bind off. Once we finish the repetition of row 4 and 5, we will then work. So after you finish the repetition of row number 4 and 5, you will then work another row of Tunisian simple stitch across, and then it's time to bind off. So for this project and this stitch pattern, the most suitable bind off is the Tunisian simple stitch bind off. So we will go into the next stitch as for Tunisian simple stitch. We yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we pull the loop through the loop that is already on the hook, like so. And we will repeat this for every single stitch of the row, all the way to the last stitch, the end stitch. Okay, you will then cut your yarn, pull it through, and finish off your project. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I'm looking forward to see you next time. Bye bye.